Hey everyone, so in my previous video, in one of them, I showed you guys how you can make a simple calculator. That was not actually a calculator, that was just inputting two numbers and doing add, subtraction, or multiplication or division, any of those. So that wasn't a proper calculator, but I haven't really explained math thing very much. So in this video, I'll try to do try to do try to cover some of the math aspects. So suppose I have uh, a variable x, and the value of x is 10 plus 10 minus minus 10 divided by 5. So what do you think will happen? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to uh, 10, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So do you think the answer will be 2 or something else? So whenever you will see something like this where there are a bunch of things, so let's add another one, 10 times 10. So whenever you will see something, so you may be uh, thinking that 10 times 10 is 100, 100 times 10 is 110, 110 minus 10 is 100, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So the answer is 20, but it does not work like that. When you have a bunch of signs like this, the way this works, it will actually do this operation first. So 10 divided by 5 is actually 2. So this will just do this one first, and it will keep the 2 here. Then it will do the multiplication. So 10 times 10 is 100. So now we have 100 plus 10 minus 10 minus 2. So then 100 plus next the operation that will be done is this one, 100 plus 10. So 100 plus 10 is 110, and then last we have the subtraction. We have to get rid of 2. So 110 minus 2 is 108. So the final result that you will see is 108, not 20. So let's find out which one Python will show us. So let's try, not try, let's type print then x. Then if I just click on this text, run, you can see we got 108. Because this is something that very basic stuff with math. Whenever we have a bunch of signs like this, it always does this operation first, then this operation second, then this operation third, and this one will be the fourth. So now you may have another question, that what if there was some brackets? So suppose let me minimize this stuff. Suppose there was another 10, and let's say we have another 20, and it has minus, but it has brackets on. So what do you think will happen? So this will actually give the same result, because 20 minus 10 is actually 10, and it will eventually give the result of 108. If you don't believe me, here's 108. But suppose we have something different over here, like 20 minus 5, which is 15. So the result will change, and now you can see we have 158. So the way it works, when there is brackets like this, math, it will be the first task that will be done. So 20 minus 5, though it has the subtraction in it, still it is within the brackets, and that's why this task will be done at the very first. Then it will be this task will be done second. Then whatever we get from here will be multiplied by 20. Then that will be added with 10, and lastly, not 10 actually, yeah, added with 10. Then lastly, it will get rid of whatever we have over here. So that's it. So first we have the brackets, then we have division, then we have multiplication, then we have the addition, then the last one we have is subtraction. So yeah, do let me know whether you have any query on this. This is actually very basic stuff. I don't think anyone has any problem with it, but if you still have any, do let me in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone take care.